Friends, hello everyone. Welcome to this channel. And in this video clip, I will show you and tell you how you can easily disable recommended videos in YouTube app. Please friends, subscribe to this channel, put your likes, also write your comments after watching the video. So let's go ahead and get to our topic. And open up YouTube on your phone. Then you'll need to go to your page, your YouTube account. Then at the top, click on the gear to go to YouTube settings. And here you'll need to select your YouTube credentials. And then you'll need to scroll down until you find this section here, which is called Manage Your YouTube Browsing History. Go to that. And that way you'll see absolutely every single video you've ever watched on the YouTube app. And if you want to disable video recommendations, you'll need to delete absolutely the entire history to do that. Because recommendations in YouTube, they're based on videos that you've already watched. So YouTube looks at what you've already liked and recommends similar videos to you. And to completely clear your entire viewing history, click Delete. Next, select Delete for all time. After that, immediately all the videos you've watched will be deleted. And thus, you will either have the YouTube video recommendation disabled or updated. Friends, this is the way you can easily disable recommended videos in YouTube app. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please don't forget to leave your likes, write your comments, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you soon.